If I lost everything and all I had left was zero point 0.1 SOL, I would run it back to $100,000. And no, this isn't theory. I've done this multiple times. Before you click off, watch this closely. In this video, you're going to learn the exact filters I use to find real runners, where to enter, so you don't get trapped at the top, how to read charts and avoid getting rugged, and why 90% of traders are literally just donating money. And if you stay till the end, you'll see how to turn a small account into a system, not a gamble. I'm not some guru. I started broke, no connections, no clue what I was doing. But I've done 1 SOL to 40,000, 1 SOL to 10,000 in 2 weeks, 1 SOL to 75,000. That's not luck, that's pattern recognition. And most people fail because they don't even see the right tokens. First, where you trade. If your account is small, fees matter. I personally use Axiom, clean UI, fast execution, low fees. Link is in the description if you want to set it up so you can follow along with what I'm about to show. But the platform isn't the edge. What you see is, when you open the market, it's chaos. Millions of tokens, most of them trash. Your job is to filter. First filter, new pairs. Turn everything off, except pump fun. Set market cap minimum, 7,000. Age, max 5 minutes. Now you're only seeing coins that are new, but already getting attention. Second filter, final stretch. Again, only pump fun. Set, age, max 40 minutes. Dev hold, max 5%. Insiders, max 20%. Market cap, minimum 8,000. This cuts out the garbage and leaves you with coins that actually have a chance to move. But even with perfect filters, you can still lose. Settings quick. MEV protection off. Priority fee 0.001. Bribe 0.001. Slippage 20 buy, 30 sell. Small account means you cannot afford unnecessary costs. Now, this is where most people get wrecked. Do not trade everything. Focus on community coins because attention drives price. And before you buy anything, you run what I call the big forecheck. First holders, open the holder distribution. Look at the top wallets. If the top 3 holders each have more than 4%, you're in danger because that means a few wallets can dump and kill the chart instantly. You want distribution that's spread out. 2%, 1.5, 1.8. That tells you no single player controls the price. Second funding. Look at where those wallets came from. If all top wallets are funded by the same source, same exchange, same timestamp, that's a bundle. And bundles are coordinated, meaning they can enter together and exit together. And when they exit, you're the exit liquidity. Third, community. Click into their socials. You're not looking for followers. You're looking for activity. Are people actually posting? Are they replying? Are there fresh messages every minute? If it feels alive, it can grow. If it's dead, it won't move. Fourth, meme quality. This one is underrated. Ask yourself, does this look like something people would buy? Good art, clean branding, simple idea. Because retail doesn't analyze, they feel. If it looks cheap, confusing, or low effort, it won't run. If a coin passes all 4, now you look for entry. Forget perfect entries, forget indicators. This is not traditional trading. The edge is simple. Buy the dip. You're looking for 30 to 40% pullbacks. Example, coin runs from 20,000 to 40,000, then drops to 25,000. That drop is your opportunity because when price falls, weak hands sell and new buyers step in. That's where you position, not at the top. Now pay attention. This saves you the most money. Chart structure. You need to spot the difference between real activity and fake movement. Bad chart, straight up. One massive drop. No natural pullbacks. That's not traders, that's control. Good chart, moves up, pulls back, choppy candles, people buying and selling, that's real behavior. If you ever see a chart that nukes in one candle, leave immediately. Last thing, trends. If there's one main coin running, everything else copying it is weaker. Do not chase derivatives. Find originality, unique ticker, unique idea, real community. Now, the most important rule of all. Take profit. You are not here to catch 1,000x. You are here to build a portfolio. My strategy? At 2x, take out your initial investment. Now you're playing with house money. It's free. If it goes higher, and great. If it goes to 0, you lost nothing. Discipline is the difference between a trader and a gambler. If you made it this far, you already know more than most traders. At the end of the day, it's not the market, it's you. Discipline, patience, repetition. 0.1 SOL to 100,000. Sounds crazy until you understand the process. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.